Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date because Shortcuts behavior can change between versions. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Add the scripting action called Open App and pick the app you want to re-icon. Make sure the shortcut runs the exact app. This avoids duplicated icons that don't open correctly. You're already doing the most important work, mapping the shortcut to the app itself, not just creating a placeholder. Now you customize the appearance and add the shortcut to the home screen. First, open the shortcut's details, give it a concise name, then choose Add to Home Screen. Tap the icon preview to select Photo or choose File and import your custom PNG or SVG. Use a high-resolution image, 180 by 180 pixels or larger, so iOS can scale cleanly. Once added, the shortcut appears as a new icon. You'll still keep the original app in the app library. Finish by testing the icon. Tap it and confirm it launches the app through Shortcuts. If you prefer a single home icon, move the original app to the app library or a folder. Make sure Siri suggestions don't reintroduce an icon. If the shortcut fails, check Shortcuts permissions for launching apps, then try recreating the shortcut or re-exporting the image at a different size. One key troubleshooting tip. Rebooting the phone often forces home screen, refreshes, and resolves most display or launch oddities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.